I'll guide you through understanding the zero-fee structure and 3 ways to transfer money instantly to anyone using Elon Musk's X Money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Sending money on X Money converts standard social media interactions into instant financial transactions. X peer-to-peer, P2P, payments settle instantly directly into any recipient's X Money account using their username, eliminating the need for account numbers or external third-party apps. Before you start, here are the sender prerequisites. You must be an active X Premium or Premium Plus subscriber who has completed KYC identity verification and funded your X Money wallet or linked a bank debit card. If the person you are sending funds to already has X Money enabled, the funds settle in their balance instantly. If they have not activated X Money yet, they receive a notification prompt to complete identity verification and claim their money. Transfers are executed strictly using X username handles, reducing transaction errors. There are 3 ways to send money on X. To use the direct method from the Money tab, open the X app and tap the Money tab from the bottom navigation bar. Tap Send and type the recipient's username or select them from your contact suggestions. Key in the payment amount and add an optional note or emoji. Review details and confirm the transaction using passkey, Face ID, or your 4-digit security PIN. To use the inside direct messages or DM method, open a direct message conversation thread with the person you wish to pay. Tap the money icon, enter the desired amount and hit send. The transfer posts directly inside the chat as a payment card. To use the profile tipping and creator support method, visit any user or creator's profile page on X. Tap the Money tip icon located right next to the follow button to send instant peer-to-peer appreciation. Money transfers post instantly to the recipient's available balance through real-time banking. Note that peer-to-peer transactions settle immediately and cannot be cancelled or reversed once authorized. Always keep biometric authentication like Face or Touch ID or passkey protection enabled for every outgoing transaction. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.